beautiful example of a B-25 here at Phelps Field, Spokane, Washington. It really was. It really was. I don't know, is he going to have room enough to get by that other plane there? I guess maybe he will. Yes, he is. Yeah, that 25 could have pulled up a bit further.
Yeah, I don't know why it stopped there.
And they have the Land Rover giving the Mitchell B-25 a tug here. Pulling him over for a static display after his flying demo. Now that's a real Land Rover too. An honest to God Land Rover. So again, this is Brady Boy Bill Karras at Phelps Field, Spokane, Washington. Having a warm-up for the Red Power Roundup later this month. I'm hitting the road next week. And having a little diversion. Got a little sunshine here at Spokane for the first time in I don't know how long. Well, we have just a sweep of the general area here. Quite a few airplanes to look at for a little small municipal field here in the Spokane Valley. And I get a great shot of the back of my wife's head there. We just saw the C-47B take off a second ago, and of course then we saw the flyby of the B-25 and the taxi in of him, so maybe we'll catch a glimpse of the C-47 actually in the air. So I got a